In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best 4K action cameras available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the 4K action cameras mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, 5K action camera with dual screens Wi-Fi. This 5K 30fps action camera captures stunning videos with dual screens for flexible framing. EIS support ensures smooth footage, even in action-packed moments. Waterproof up to 30 it's ideal for underwater adventures. Wi-Fi connectivity allows easy sharing, while the remote control offers hands-free operation. With 4K 60fps capability, it delivers high-quality visuals, making it perfect for vlogging and outdoor activities. Number 4, AUSEK S81 TRW 5K action camera with EIS Wi-Fi. Designed for adventurers, the AUSEK S81 TRW shoots 5K Ultra HD videos with 6-axis EIS for ultimate stability. Its waterproof case protects up to 40 with optional filters for enhanced visuals. Wi-Fi support enables real-time sharing via an app, while 1080p webcam mode makes it great for vlogging and live streaming. Compact and powerful, it's an excellent choice for capturing action-packed moments in high resolution. Number 3, ORDRO M5 4K action cam with night vision gimbal. The ORDRO M5 is the ultimate vlogging and action sports companion, featuring a 3-axis gimbal for ultra-smooth footage. Its 3.5-inch IPS touchscreen ensures easy navigation, while night vision expands your filming possibilities. Record stunning 4K 30fps videos with superior stabilization. A remote control allows for hands-free operation, making it ideal for travelers, vloggers, and outdoor enthusiasts who demand professional quality footage. Number 2, TRAVOR 4K action camera with 270 degrees rotatable lens. With a 270 degrees rotatable lens, the TRAVOR 4K action camera offers flexible shooting angles for creative content. A 1.3-inch LCD screen ensures easy navigation, while built-in Wi-Fi allows instant file sharing. Capture crisp audio with its dual microphone system. Its compact, lightweight design makes it perfect for travelers and vloggers who need a pocket-sized camera with professional quality features. Number 1, Insta360X4 8K 360 degrees action camera. The Insta360X4 delivers breathtaking 8K 360 degrees video with active HDR for immersive visuals. It's waterproof up to 33 feet and cold-resistant down to -4 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring durability in extreme conditions. With 135 minutes of battery life and fast charging, you can shoot longer without interruptions. AI-powered reframing lets you create dynamic shots effortlessly, making it the ultimate action camera for professionals and adventure seekers.